Hey guys, what is up? This is Patrick here, and today we'll be customizing the Razer Blackwidow keyboard. The Razer Blackwidow is definitely one of the best mechanical keyboards on the market, and because of this, many people have this keyboard. So I wanted to make this keyboard stand out and be unique, so I decided to purchase some keycaps and wrap it in carbon fiber. So in the end, my keyboard looks something like this. Some people might like it, some people might hate it, but personally I think it looks better than the original. So there are two steps to this keyboard. First is purchasing the Cherry MX keycaps, which are, in this case I have double shot orange and white keycaps. Second step is to obtain some carbon fiber vinyl wrap. You can purchase this on Amazon or anything, but I purchased my keycaps from Japan and I got the carbon fiber wrap from Amazon. So I hope you guys enjoy this quick little montage. So I've spent around 1 to 2 hours on this project, making sure everything was clean for the vinyl to stick onto. As you can tell, some of the keys next to the spacebar could not fit, since the Razer Blackwidow doesn't use a fully standard layout. What I mean by this is some of the keycaps are actually bigger than the original Cherry MX keys, so that's why it's kind of weird. So that's why I couldn't use all the orange ones for the bottom part. The spacebar has also been wrapped, and so far I've been using this keyboard for around 3 months now, and it's handled its daily abuse very well. If you guys are planning to do this project, make sure that the vinyl doesn't interfere with the keycaps. If it does, make sure you just cut off the excess. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on Patrick's Hacks.